Hello. Today, let's talk about an interesting topic: understanding the extent of legal responsibility for negligence we make. To explore this, let's take a brief look at the Great Chicago Fire of 1871. If you've visited Chicago, you might have noticed its relatively modern buildings, a result of the city's reconstruction after the entire place was engulfed in the massive fire of 1871. The astounding calamity of the Great Chicago Fire supposedly started when Patrick O'Leary's cow accidentally kicked over a lantern in his barn. The fire spread rapidly due to dry weather, strong winds, the prevalence of wooden structures, and inadequate firefighting facilities. Discussions emerged regarding the cause of the tragedy and the level of responsibility Patrick O'Leary bore for the fire. This is where the legal concept of proximate causation comes into play to determine the liability scope. In simple terms, proximate causation implies that the individual responsible for a negligent act isn't accountable for all consequences, but only for the foreseeable harm at the time of the negligent act. This legal principle provides a rational foundation for defining the scope of liability in cases of accidents caused by negligence. In New York, a specific case, Palsgraf v. Long Island Railroad Co., 1928, highlights this concept. Helen Palsgraf, a passenger, was injured in a fireworks incident caused by railroad employees. The court ruled that the railroad wasn't liable for Palsgraf's injuries as the harm wasn't foreseeable at the time of the employee's actions. This legal concept helps establish reasonable limits on responsibility for accidents resulting from negligence. In our next session, let's explore how this concept applies to a car accident. If you found today's discussion informative, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and hit the like button. Thank you.